In today's video, we're going to be learning how to publish your ebooks on Amazon KDP and also how to run Amazon ads, guys. Stay tuned for more. What's up, man? It's your boy KINGLATTA, and this is the Black Investors Group, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to publish your hard-working, your hard-written, hard-thought-out ebooks, and I'm going to show you how to post them on Amazon KDP, which is pretty much the bookstore for Amazon, guys, okay? And then after that, I'm going to show you how to market your Amazon books on Amazon ads. First thing first, you want to pull up Amazon KDP. You want to create a KDP account, okay, guys? You want to create that account. But in my case, I'm just going to sign in. Alright? Then, you want to see, you see right here, you see my books and all that. And now, you want to go to create, okay? This is what your screen will look like when you have books posted on Amazon already, and all this after the steps I'm about to show you. So you want to go to create a Kindle ebook or whatever you want to create, but in this case we're doing ebooks, okay, guys, because that's the easiest thing to make. So all you have to do is follow instructions. Type in the book title, okay? In this case, I'm gonna do one of my trucking books that I have, because your boy Latta is in a lot of trucking, okay? I go by KINGLATTA, and all my businesses start with Latta. I got a lot of productions, and I got a lot of trucking, okay, guys? I'm in a trucking business. I make over $1,000 a day off a trucking business. Come on. So what you wanna do is, you know what I'm saying, you create a book title, you go to learn how to, you create a subtitle, you know what I'm saying? In this case, start a business from doing nothing. Then you either want to create a series or choose from existing series. But in your case, you want to create a series probably, and that just means that, you know, the series of books that it's in. So say you have a horror series, and say you have an adventure series. You know what I'm saying? You want to separate the categories, kind of. You know what I'm saying? The author, the edition number, more for hardcovers, you know, when you keep track of the edition. The author, you got the main author, and then contributors or illustrators or whatever. You don't have to add them, but you can if you want to. And then you have a description about your book. Make sure it's a good description. Make sure it's something that people would read, and then they would want to buy your book. They would actually want to spend money on your book, okay, guys? You want to make sure people are gonna actually buy your book. So make sure your description is very persuading. And then right here, we got the keywords, man. This is the most important, because this is what people, this is how you can get your book seen, get your book at the top of the list on search without even paying for ads, guys, okay? This is how you can get more views on your book, more people coming across your book with spending less money, okay? Because if you pick the right keywords for your book, say that you are picking the trucking industry, you know what I'm saying? Of course you want to put trucking in there, you know what I'm saying? Of course you want to put probably how-to in there. Or if you're selling a cookbook, you want to put cooking, you know what I'm saying? Or if you're teaching in financials, you want to put money, you want to put credit, you know? You want to put all the keywords that you think is right, that you think people will search up, so that your book will be ranked high on the search, and people will come across your book more with you paying less in ads. Then under categories, of course, you want to pick the book category that you're in. For this case, we're in the education category, and I normally pick financials. But it's definitely important to pick that right category, because that's also in the search too. If you're selling a cookbook, but you have it in the arts category, then more likely, you know, things are gonna get mixed up, jumbled up. And then right here, guys, you know, as I said, you want to, more likely, the book, if you're not selling a kid's book, you want to put over 18, so that you know, it'll kind of factor that out of your book getting shown, you spending more money on ads of your book getting shown to kids that won't buy whatever you're trying to teach or sell, you know what I'm saying? So if you're selling a book on how to start a business, You know what I'm saying? Most kids aren't trying to start a business. They're not gonna buy it, so they seen your ad for nothing. So you want to put that over 18. And then yes, you could choose to pre-order. You know what I'm saying? If you have people trying to pre-order your book, but you know, and then right here for manuscript is pretty much, you know, the script of your book. So you just want to you want to go ahead and upload your ebook. You know what I'm saying? You want to go ahead and upload that. Just go to your files and just upload whatever you want to upload. You know what I'm saying? And then I normally just continue with PDF because my file is a PDF file. That's how I made it. So we're just gonna keep it the same. We're not gonna let Amazon switch up my book or whatever. And then what you want to do is you want to obviously select the cover. The cool thing about Amazon is that you can pick a cover that they provide you. You don't even have to make your own cover. But if you use Canva to make your ebooks, guys, you can definitely make better covers than this. But right here, you want to pick whatever pops out the most to you, because if it pops out the most to you, it's going to pop out to somebody else. That bright green is very bright and it popped out more than the others, so I'm going to pick bright green. After you have your cover set up, you're pretty much done, guys. All you have to do is go to save and continue. You want to enroll your book in KDP Select because it's just Amazon pushing your book out there more. It's Amazon promoting your product more. So it's more likely for people to see your product. And right here, guys, you can see you have a pricing, royalty, and distribution. So you could choose the 35% option. But if you choose the 35% option, you can only have, well, you could max your book out to $200, okay? But if you pick the 70% option, you can only have it for $10, okay, guys? $9.99 is the max. But if you do the math, okay, on the 70% option at $9.99, you will make about $3 and some change per sale. And then if you sell a book for 35% for $30, you know, you can make that $10 royalty. So, you know, make sure your book is good so people will pay a lot of money for your book so you can make more than that trash 35% royalty, guys. Once you got that, once you got your payment, guys, on what you want to make, you could allow book for lending. I suggest not to do that so more people buy your book, but you know, if you don't want to be stingy, then you could, you know, turn that off. And then once you have that, guys, you'll press complete, and then you're done with that. Alright, guys, now that we got the trucking book onto Amazon KDP, now that it's on the Amazon bookstore, we are gonna go to Amazon ads. Okay, guys, Amazon ads is what's gonna make us their money. Let's get to it. So first, all you gotta sign in. You wanna create your account, all that jibber jabber. Make sure you create your account. Make sure you remember your username and password. A lot of people can't remember their username and password, but make sure that it is advertising that Amazon. Okay, guys. As you can see my dashboard right here. I've only ran Amazon ads twice because I figured that if I can make more money off of my book, me selling it personally, then why spend money to make barely any money? So I kind of stopped running these ads, guys. But as you can see, my little $3 a day on these 2 days got me 3 views and 2 views, which is not bad. But you know, why spend money to make barely any money off of a royalty when I can spend no money and make 100% my book value? This is good for people that are just trying to make extra cash, that are just trying to sell their ebook because they don't have a platform like YouTube or Instagram for them to promote. So they just run ads. You want to come over here, you want to press create ad, you want to press launch campaign. Okay, guys? Once you do that, you want to pick your products that's already on Amazon. You want to pick your products. You want to press automatic targeting, because we're not experts at this. We're not gonna manual target. We're gonna automatic target this thing, okay? We want your default bid to be low, a low number. It's kind of like your daily budget. It's kind of like you paying Amazon $1 to send this out to 5 people. You know what I'm saying? Your default bid, and then your negative keyword targeting. This is optional, but if you're selling a cooking book and you're doing like negative keyword targeting, you want to put like haircuts, you know what I'm saying? Something that doesn't apply to your book at all, because you don't want people to search that up and your book pop up. They're not gonna buy your book because they're not looking for cooking when they search up haircuts, or haircuts when they're searching up cooking. You want your thing on dynamic bids, okay guys? You want it on dynamic bids. And then all you have to do, you create a campaign name, a start date, and that is it, guys. After that, you set your daily budget, and you're gonna go to launch campaign. Once you press launch campaign, if you haven't done so yet, you're gonna put in your payment information. I'm not gonna pull that screen up because then my payment information will pop up, and I don't feel like adding that out. So after you press launch campaign, the payment section will come up, and it's self-explanatory from there, okay? You got your Amazon ads set up for your Amazon KDP. You can make an additional $100 a week. You can make an additional $1,000 a month from selling your own knowledge on Amazon KDP, making ebooks. If you haven't checked it out already, check out my last video right here. Link in the description on how to make your own ebooks, how to market your ebooks on Instagram. I also have a course on how to do that. Link in the description. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And it's your boy KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, and we out.
You talking money, want all of it, please.